Hi everybody, here are the Halloween sets. I am going to put just one on because it's so late at night and I can't even think straight anymore. But check these out up close and personal. This is Ominous Orange. Beautiful. And let's see here. The nice cream with the bats. One's bitten. Sorry, you got little fuzzies there. This one is Widow's Glow. It's like, oh gosh, I can't think of the pretty silver color with gorgeous spider webs. Fort Worth it, that's it. This one sold out really fast. Hopefully you got one. I'm not sure if they're coming back, but if they do, I would grab one as fast as I could. So pretty up close. Look at that. Wow. And this one I'm going to wear closer to October for Halloween. Haunted Heart. The glow in the dark set. Look at all the different designs. So fun. Double-sided, so you can wear either one. When you have shorter nails like me, you get 2 nails out of each strip. This one, I almost put this on tonight. Love that. It's kind of like a distraction for my short nails. Dang. Almost put that one on. So pretty. But I just have to, I gravitate towards purple. Can't help it. Scream Queen. Check that out. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. All right, so we're pulling, you know, I don't know, you guys. Should I put the black on instead? Or can you put these together? One hand and another hand. I'm hoping tomorrow that I get the new colors, what are they called? From Shadows of the Night, I think. They're kind of like the glimmer duochrome. There's 4 different colors. And some people got them right away. Mine, I don't know, lost in space, back ordered. Not sure, but I'm sure they're on their way. Now, the other thing is, I could have mixed and matched these. Oh, but if I'm doing, that's okay. What would you wear with this beautiful purple? I looked at all the fall sets, and I just wasn't sure. There's the pretty flowers. Oh my gosh. I just need to seal this up here while we're doing this. I just wanted to tuck it down a little lower, but I'm kind of squishing it. Oh, there we go. Down to the edge. Good deal. How are you guys today? It is late. I cannot go to work without something on my nails, and I'm going to show you why. My nails were so long and beautiful, and I was cleaning yesterday and jammed this one so hard, and it cracked way down in here, and it killed me to cut these guys down, but I wanted it to be closer to that length of nail. Yeah, I'm just going to do purple. I can't even think straight. I'm so tired. So I'm just doing this real quick here. As you know, Color Street won't guarantee these when you open them back up. I have never had an issue with it. Sometimes they get ever so slightly dry, but I can always manage to put down a liquid to get them to stick a little better. Just make sure that's sealed real good there. I'm going to turn this off. This is something that helps dried out strips. If you put this on first, they will stick like crazy. You can also use nail strengthener. My friend Noelle uses something else. It's a, who's it made by? Oh, I can't remember. I think it's Orly, made by Orly. But anyway, she uses that and she says it works really good. And then there's my famous crack here. I put on nail strengthener first on all my nails. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, the back is black, so definitely a solid opaque color. Oh my God, that's beautiful, you guys. Look at that purple. Oh my goodness. Let's just push that down real good. This matches with my outfit today too. Oh, and I was working with dyes and colors, so you're going to see all kinds of colors under my nails here. Oh, where's my, there it is. Cuticle pusher. Get those down nice and snug. So yeah, working with colored dyes. Get under your nails, get on your clothes, on your skin. It makes them look dirty, but they're not. First look, you guys. Oh my gosh. There will be cleanup later. My bracelet is making noises, driving me crazy. Anyway, let me move these colors over here. So what should I wear with the black? This is my little garbage can. I should use it. Not throw my stuff around. So much easier when I'm done. I might just have to edit this video and maybe do no sound and run it really fast. I just wanted you guys to see how gorgeous these colors are. And then on Friday, the do-it-yourself Halloween kit is coming out, and it has, let me think, I believe 2 sets that are just 4 strips, and they're really cute. One looks like glow in the dark, but I don't think there are any glow in the dark in there. It just kind of looks like it. And then there's a clear as day, so if you do designs and things like that, there's a French, so you need clear as day to go over your French piece or it will lift. So you do the French on the tip and then the clear as day over. And then there's at least 3, possibly 4 other full-size sets. You know what? Don't quote me on that. I have to look at it. I've been working so many hours lately. I have not been posting very well on Facebook. But I have, what day off? What is today? Wednesday. So I work tomorrow and then I have Friday off. Well, it's too late because everyone will be ordering on Friday. So I have to figure out what I'm going to do about that, but I will get the post out so everyone knows what's happening. Also, some other cool things with Color Street. They have a BOGO lipstick sale right now. Buy 1 lipstick, get 1 free, which is a really good deal. I love their lipsticks. I use VIP all the time. There's a darker color. I got a couple of them, so I just kind of rotate them. And if I think they're too bright, you know what I do first is put on the lip balm. And then I'll put just a quick swipe of the lipstick color that's a little too bright for me, and it turns out perfect. So I still get to wear it. It's a little more sheer than if I put the lipstick on straight on my lips. But anyway, they're all beautiful. They wear very well. They're in a beautiful container. One of my favorite lipsticks is the Stardust, I think it's called. It came out special in a kit. I shouldn't even talk like that. I I can't remember. It was special though. You had to do a special purchase or buy. Anyway, it's beautiful, gorgeous. It's one of the diamond glitter lipsticks. It's infused and coated with this diamond glitter. And it's clear. It's like a light pink sheer color. So pretty. Anyway, I'm not sure if that's on the list. Other things happening are, we just came out with the Shadows of the Night. There's 4 beautiful colors. I did not get those yet, but as soon as I get them, I will show them to you guys. And then they have a really cool deal when you buy online, and when you reach certain levels in your purchase, I believe $50 is the first level, you get a free mystery retired Halloween set. And then I think the next step would be 75, and the next step after that is 100. And then at 100, you get the 3 strips and free shipping. Cannot pass up free shipping, right? So it's an awesome time to stock up on these beautiful fall colors. I have those all laying here too. I was just staring at them. I'm trying to think. It has Oasis, Open Spaces, Cowgirl Boots. That collection is beautiful. That red in the Cowgirl Boots is so pretty. Oh, shoot, look at that. Missed that quite a bit. Wow. Good thing it's facing me. Hopefully nobody will notice, right? You know what drives me crazy is that crack right here is always the last nail that I do. So you guys have to watch that thing go back and forth and be used as a tool. That cracked up nail. But once it's covered by Color Street, it stays. It's awesome. I might even throw a coat of the plumper or the nail strengthener on top to give it a little extra strength there. Don't use that nail. Use one of these guys. Look at that. I got the smallest little, I missed that. Oh. Just do that. I'm going to let these dry overnight and then file them tomorrow morning. Just make sure you push all these edges down really good. All right, gorgeous color. So again, this is Scream Queen. Super pretty. There will be cleanup later, but what do you think? I'm in love. You can wear this any time of the year. I'm going to go back online right now and stock up with some more of these before they sell out. I believe it was the top seller. All right. Thanks for joining, guys. Have a nice night. Bye.